Now the topic is viroids and lichens. Viroids. Viroids is, as its name suggests, it is similar to virus, but actually this is not virus. It was discovered by T.O. Diner. किसने डिस्कवर किया था? T.O. Diner ने डिस्कवर किया था. And its shape is smaller than virus. ये virus से भी छोटा है. Something that is smaller than virus. And it was seen that it causes a disease in potato plant, that is potato spindle tuber disease. Potato tuber. Tuber means potato जो आलू हम खाते हैं. So it causes disease in the potato tuber, and that disease is potato spindle tuber disease. And if you talk about the internal part structure or external structure of the viroids, it is dissimilar from virus as it is not having any protein coat. कोई protein का coat capsid as such नहीं होता. और न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल में क्या है? फ्री RNA. इसमें सिर्फ फ्री RNA होता है. So that is why it is smaller than virus, and it causes so many plant diseases. Now the next, that is lichens. Lichens are symbiotic association of alga and fungus. Basically there is not any single plant here. Two plants are there. One is alga, another one is fungus. So it is a symbiotic association of alga and fungus. That is why not an individual organism. The algal part is called phycobiont. The fungal part is called mycobiont. Lichens always grow in a pollution-free area, especially on the rocks, and green kind of patches on the rocks. In that form it is found. Now what is the work of algae here? Algae are autotrophic. What are algae? These are autotrophic because they are having chlorophyll. So algae is able to prepare food, can do photosynthesis. But the fungal part is not having chlorophyll, so can't do photosynthesis. But what is a work of fungus? It provides mineral and water shelter as well to algae. It provides mineral, water and shelter to algae. So in this way both of them get benefit from each other, as algae prepares food and gives to fungus, and fungus gives the other conditions which are required by algae, which are essential for algae, like water, minerals, shelter, etc. So in this way both of them get benefit from each other. That is called symbiotic relationship and symbionts. So collectively lichens are called symbionts. There are so many symbionts. One of them is lichen. Okay, so our chapter 2, that is biological classification, completed here. In the chapter 3 we will discuss in detail about the kingdom Plantae, the different divisions that is found in kingdom Plantae. Till that, bye bye.